Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm gonna finally be recreating the trending moss nails, and these are some of the items I'm gonna be using. So let's go ahead and start this party. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply two coats actually of this beautiful Born Pretty nude color. I'm doing press-ons and I'm not buffing the shine from the nail tips or applying base gel because these nails are just for show, for YouTube. These are not actually practical to wear. And this is how the nails are looking after two coats. Next, I'm gonna be creating a Frenchie with this beautiful green from Macar and cure it for 30 seconds. I want to say thank you to all the subscribers that I have so far. That's amazing to me to see that I have so many, since I'm just a hobbyist and I just doing something here that I enjoy and I like, and I hope I can make someone smile at least for the day. Just thank you again, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video today. And this is how the nails are looking after I finish all the Frenchies, and I'm gonna put the nails to one side for a minute here because I'm gonna go ahead and use real flowers. Can you believe that? Not even me, I believe it yet. So I collected this flower from the local garden and I'm cutting the smaller ones that I can see because I need small ones to apply them on the nails. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover them with top coat. It will be like the same effect as if you use a resin, like when you preserve something in resin, but I'm gonna be using top coat and it's gonna work very well. And I'm gonna be using Macar top coat. This is a non-wipe top coat, meaning that doesn't leave a sticky layer. And this is a very delicate operation because these flowers are so tiny, and I'm gonna be covering both sides, the top and the bottom. And it's gonna take me a while because I have to hold each little flower under my UV lamp until it's cured from each side, but it's gonna be worth it. So I'm gonna be doing this, and these nails actually took me a couple of days to complete because of the tedious work that I was doing here. And as you can see here, it's looking really cute, and the top coat actually preserved the flowers. So far so good. I'm gonna finish all this and I'll be right back. And these are all the little flowers completed already, all covered with top coat. And next I'm gonna go ahead and apply matte top coat to all the nails and cure for 60 seconds. Okay, next I'm going to apply the moss to the nails, and I'm gonna be trying rubber-based gel, but this is not going to work because for some reason the light didn't penetrate through the moss. I'm not sure if it's maybe because the moss is actually real. When I saw these nails trending, it reminded me of my sister in Cuba. She's a photographer and she creates this beautiful fairyland photography. These nails reminded me of a fairyland. And that's why I want to dedicate this video to my sister. I love your sister so much and I can't wait to see you. If you're ever in Holguín, Cuba, guys, check it out. She's Hadas and Duendes Photos. After the fail with the UV lamp and the rubber-based gel, I started using the nail glue that I have here from Model Ones, and I'm incorporating as well a little bit of the purple moss. It actually looks really cute, so I'm glad that I did. And then I'm gonna continue doing this to all the nails, guys. These nails are looking kind of crazy right now, guys. It's looking exactly how I wake up in the morning with my hair. My hair looks like that in the morning. But it's gonna change, don't worry. I'm gonna trim them and make it look nice. So just patience. So I'm just gonna continue and finish applying the moss on all the nails and I'll be right back. I'm trimming the excess, but I can't trim too much, otherwise I'm gonna ruin the actual design. Just enough to make it aesthetic. And I'm gonna have some extra spaces that I'm gonna have to fill. But for that, I'm gonna be using some pearls, some rhinestones, and some other decorations, including these small flowers that I already have ready to go here. And here we go, finally applying top coat. I'm so happy that I'm finally at the end here because these nails, to be honest guys, this took me forever. So much detail, but I'm glad that I took all this time because I actually love them so much. And I'm applying Macar top coat and I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds. I attached the nails with sticky tabs for press-on nails, and this is the final result for today. I absolutely love these nails. They're so cute, they're so nice. I really enjoy creating these nails and all kind of nails, guys. So like, subscribe and comment. That motivates me to create more videos, and I really appreciate everyone who stayed until the end. So thank you so much again to everyone and to all my subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a nice day.